This is going to be a super short and useful tutorial for you that is filming products on your YouTube channel. How do you nail your focus when you're going to display a product between yourself and the camera? So you've probably seen it on other channels, and you maybe experienced it yourself as well, that you are sitting there, you are doing an unboxing or you're doing a product video, and then suddenly you're just going to display the product like this. You're holding it up in front of the camera between you and the face, and this product can never be in focus. How much you even are trying to do like this is not getting in focus. So what you have to do is that you're going to cover your entire face, and there you're going to get it in focus. So why is that? Probably that is because, especially in my Sony A7S III that I'm filming this on, there is an eye and face priority setting for the autofocus. I always shoot in wide autofocus area, but when I shoot product videos, when I'm gonna hold up something like this and display it, I always turn off the face and eye priority in the camera. So why is that? So the autofocus on the camera works like this. It will always focus on whatever is closest to the camera. If that is my face or me or a product, that will be in focus. But not if you have turned on the face and eye priority setting. Because then it's going to still try to focus on whatever eye and face that is closest to the camera. So if I'm standing here, I'm holding up this product like this, this is my eye that is going to be closer to the camera, and that will be in focus even if I have this product here. So that's why I have to struggle to try to cover my face and my eye with the product so this one can be in focus. So how do you solve that? Turn off the eye and face priority in the focus setting. Let me turn that off so I can show you what that looks like. So now I turned off the eye and face priority in the autofocus setting on my Sony A7S III. If you would like to see how I mapped my custom buttons on the Sony A7S III, please check out this video because I think you're going to appreciate that one and it's going to be useful for you. So let's see how the autofocus works now when I turned off the face and eye priority setting. Here is my eye and face. I'm going to hold up this one. This one is going to be closer to the camera, and now it has nailed the focus on this product instead. So, whenever you're going to shoot a product video, where you're going to put up a product to display that one in the lens, turn off the eye and face priority setting in the camera. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already. Over and out from this beautiful Swedish landscape. See you next time. Bye.